Today I'm going to show you how to make roasted beets. Now I'm using both golden and standard beets. So make sure that you wear gloves whenever you're cleaning and peeling these because you don't want to stain your hands. And now is the all-important process of beginning chopping the beets. You can see that beautiful red. Make sure you don't stain your fingers. Once everything is properly chopped, it's now time to toss with garlic in camicia, rosemary, which we're going to dice up nice and finely, and a little bit of salt. So we start off by placing them in the bowl. Salt, garlic, rosemary, and olive oil. Once you've added the olive oil, make sure you toss it well. Now I'm mixing these two actually separately because I wanted to be able to cook them separately so that it gives a good contrast in color. You don't have to do this, especially if you're using one kind of beet. So we place them in our pan, and in this case, I'm showing 1/2 the gold and 1/2 the standard beet. They're essentially the same thing, into our oven to be able to bake until they get nice and golden and fork tender. If you've never had beets before, this is the way to try them. Hope you enjoy.